Welcome back to the PSA World Tour. Once again, we arrive here in Canary Wharf for one of the best events on the calendar. Usually played in March, we're now here for this year in November in the East Winter Garden, which works out as the perfect setting for the Canary Wharf Squash Classic 2021.
Please welcome Tarek Momen. Please welcome Farag.
Again, we talk about the contrast in styles, and that's how wide the width has got to be from Tarek Momen. Farag read the cross court, and he was so far up, he tried to cut the angle off, but this is literally in the middle of the side wall. Watch how wide this ball goes into the side.
Oh, that was, talk about dislocating a wrist from Farag. So deceptive from Ali Farag. He got using the trickle boast there. Couldn't ask for a better first game,
Into this, players would have been well rested and fresh, and this is why we get semi-finals of this quality. And he's pulled it back 3 points in a row. Full credit to Farag. They're certainly bringing the best out in each other here.
Oh, the error. He makes the error.
What a rally.
Unbelievable rally. Talk about back and forth. Defence, attack. Reciprocating. One opportunity for Ali Farag, and he converts, helped by the three unforced errors coming from the Momen racket. And there you can see the fist clench from Farag. That was certainly a lung opening first game.
And out. 2-3.
The way he needed to go was through the opponent.
Yeah, it wasn't the highest of quality shots from Ali Farag. That was, though.
Yeah, it was clever because he was putting a percentage play, but cut the ball. He really opened the racket face and cut it through.
That we're seeing here in the second.
Down. 11-2. Going to Farag. Farag leads.
Oh, that's a massive drop off there from Tarek Momen. Unfortunate for him. Concentration factor disappearing. We look at the duration of the second game. It's very, very low. Just 6 minutes. 23 minutes so far. Ali Farag will be over the moon with that, leading 2 games to love.
Oh, terrific. Very heavy hit from Momen.
Set up by the decent work to the back though, PJ.
Yeah, always.
That set it up. It was a good previous leg.
Beautiful touch from Ali Farag. Set the rally up perfectly. Takes Momen in with the forehand drop. Momen recovers, back in quickly again with the counter drop, and even the huge.
Ali Farag presenting himself with 6 match balls for a place in another final.
Down.
And there's the error, unfortunately. It's the tale of the story in this first semi-final from Tarek Momen. Just unable to keep his discipline, keep the ball out of the tin. Ali Farag.
They'll be very relieved with that 3-love victory.
Very relieved, very happy, of course.
Ali
just couldn't find his range. Started off so well in the match, Moment. Couldn't maintain that mental focus. And I suppose you could call it mental fitness as well, with the game plan that he needed to promote. Farag into another final. The consistency is extraordinary.
Yeah, the first made a huge impact.
We're just going to hear from Ali now. He's just started down with Alan.
I think I was able to. I had a clear game plan in mind, but it's not easy to implement against Tarek because he also has his own and he implements it super well. So it was really a matter of who gets on top first with his game plan. And the first, we traded blows a little, and then the fact that it went my way, it calmed me down a little. So it was easier for me to implement. And I think in the second and the third, I've never implemented such a good game plan against Tarek before. I've always had it in mind, but to do it to that level, I've never done it before.
From Peru, please welcome Diego Elias. From New Zealand, please welcome Coll.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. He turned that rally on its head, Elias. He was on the receiving end of some punishing movements, but the one good length forced Coll into a defensive position, and then he pounced like a puma.
And out, 5-4.
You're an absolute fuego. It's as simple as that, I suppose.
Well, he's managed to get himself in front here, Joey, and that's not been the case for pretty much the entire first game.
Very well played. Frustration there. Elias, poor Coll keeping his nerve. This was wonderful. Good tight ball, and then the execution.
He's up the tempo of his hitting here, Elias.
Oh, he's made the error. He made the error. He wasn't miles
11-9
away.
game to Coll. Coll leads 1 game to love.
Impressive first game from both these guys. Hugely impressive. He did the work here, went for it, caught the top of the tin.
What a start. It's a massive rally, this one. Psychologically, if Elias can get back to level peggings at 5-all, I think that will give him a bit of a push.
It was big. It was, like you say, it was a huge rally. Huge rally. He's walloping his right hip
Hand
there.
out, 6-4.
Interesting in that front right-hand corner. You're right, PJ. Elias, 4-point lead at 8-4 in this second for Coll.
Well, he needed that in the first.
Beautiful. Took a lot more pace off of that one, didn't he? First, the error he made on game ball, he hit it too hard.
Yeah.
That, to climb here.
Accuracy of the length hasn't quite been there tonight for Diego Elias.
Down.
Yeah, that was a little bit
11-6 game
soft.
to Coll.
That
Coll
ending,
leads 2 games to love.
kind of hit and hope both from the back of the court, not looking to cover it either. Frustration there, it's very evident. He's an expressive individual. Coll is pushing on PJ, unless something very bizarre happens. We're seeing Ali Farag's opponent in the form of Coll.
Hand out,
certainly
2-4.
Tidy work again from Coll. Elias is ready to snap the racket across the leg. He's not happy.
7-3.
There's something that's going on in there, but
Down. 11-3, much to call. 3 games to love. 11-9, 11-6,
Gets his
11-3.
revenge, Paul Coll. Over Diego Elias here in London. Can blow a few sighs of relief and relax now. Very good, solid masterclass. 50 minutes. The damage was done after that first game. 3-love to book his place into the final. We're going to hear from Paul Coll down with Alan Thatcher.
Paul, many congratulations through to another Canary Wharf final. Big congratulations, come on. Well played, Diego. Let's say a big thank you to Diego. It's his birthday tomorrow, come on. Paul, every match has been some real quality squash from you, almost error-free, looking really confident and in control. Well done. You must be feeling good.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Yeah, feeling good. Yeah, I had another great week last week up in Birmingham with my coach, Rob Owen, and we do a really, sharp week of squash hitting, getting my ball striking and movement where we want it to be. So I always feel real confident going into a tournament after a good training block like that. So I knew it was going to be tough tonight. Diego beat me in the final 3 weeks ago, and massive credit for him for backing up another good tournament. It's always the hardest, almost the next tournament to back up after your biggest win. So I was very happy to win that first. I didn't start the best and he was controlling me, so it's good to go 1-love up, and then I just sort of got my length a bit better, a bit tighter in the second and third, and just super happy.